Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to exit a Zoom call on your Zoom application. In order to exit a call on Zoom, first of all, go ahead and open up a Zoom application and then make sure that you are inside a meeting window. While you are in a Zoom meeting, simply tap on the middle of the screen and you will see options appearing on the top and the bottom of the screen. Simply tap the End button in red at the top right corner. Now you will see these two options that says End Meeting for All and Leave Meeting. If you choose End Meeting for All, this will close the meeting completely for everyone that has participated in it. If you choose Leave Meeting, then you will let others continue the meeting without you. Go ahead and choose one of the options according to your preference, and you will then be able to end or leave the meeting. That is how you easily do it, just a couple of taps and you are done. If this video was helpful, be sure to check out more Zoom how-to videos on our channel. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.